Hello, my name is Tanya and I am the Assistant Service Manager at Saskatoon Mitsubishi. Today I'm going to show you how to change your spare tire. First, take a look in your glove box to find your owner's manual, which will tell you where the location of your spare tire and jack tools should be. This is also where your locking lug nut key should be kept. In this vehicle, the spare tire is located in the trunk, underneath this flap, also the spare tire and jack tools. Once you locate your tire and your tools, it is a good idea to use one of your tools to hit the sidewall of your tire to make sure it's not flat. This one's good and full of air. First, grab the jack and start to raise it by hand until it is close to the height of the vehicle. Then you will find where you need to place the jack on, and that will be found also in your owner's manual. Now we will take the tire iron and loosen the lug nuts, just enough to make them loose, not all the way. You'll want to do this while the tire is on the ground, not once it's lifted, otherwise it will just spin. Once the lug nuts are loose, continue raising the jack until the tire is off of the ground. At this time, continue removing the lug nuts off of the tire and remove the rim from the vehicle. Next, take the spare tire out of its holder and place it on the vehicle. Next, we will tighten the lug nuts by hand until they are tight. Next, take the tire iron and tighten the lug nuts as much as you can. At this time, you can lower the jack so that the wheel is touching the ground. Now take the tire iron and tighten the lug nuts as tight as you can. Always use a cross pattern, not in a circular pattern. You can also use your foot for extra leverage. Once your wheel is completely tight, you can take your jack and spare tire tools, place them back in the holders where you got them. Put your flat tire into the trunk of your vehicle and proceed to the nearest dealership at the speed that is recommended on your spare tire so that they can further assist you. Thank you so much for coming along with us today. Please like this video and let us know if there's any other videos you would like us to show you. Once again, I am Tanya, the Assistant Service Manager at Saskatoon Mitsubishi. Thank you.